Good news for all Facebook creators. Facebook is changing their policy. They have a new policy, and their new policy is going to take effect from August 31st. And this policy, trust me, is going to favor those creators out there that have high followers, high views, and they are not still monetized yet. So this policy is going to favor you guys, because I don't understand why Facebook will invite people with low followers, low views to join their monetization, and people with high followers and high views, they have not yet invited them. So this new policy is going to favor you guys. So you need to watch from beginning to the end of this video to know the new policy. So guys, from August 31st, Facebook new policy is going to take effect. And this new policy is you have to have 5,000 followers, which is not hard. 5,000 followers, 60,000 watch time in the space of 2 months. Yes, I think this might be the issue, but with people that are having high views, it will not be an issue for you guys. And you need to follow Facebook policy, Facebook monetization policy. You must not have issue with your account or anything with your account. And with this, you'll be able to join Facebook monetization. Facebook will start paying you, and I'm so happy that they are going back to their formal ways, because now you know, okay, this is what you need to meet up. You work towards it, not the one that you'll be waiting. You'll be creating content and you'll be waiting for Facebook to invite you, and till now Facebook did not invite you. It's frustrating. You know, the reason is annoying, because most creators that Facebook are inviting and those people that have low followers, low views, and Facebook invited them to join the monetization. And it's annoying that I know a lot of Facebook creators with 30,000 followers, 20,000 followers, 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers that are not any from Facebook. They will just come outside and talk. You people think I'm any, but it's not true. See, they'll show their dashboard. They are not any. Facebook did not invite them. Do you know how frustrating it is trying to create content, trying to be creative, and people that are not even doing anything, they are getting monetized, and you're not getting monetized. It's frustrating. But now that they are bringing you this new policy, everybody will now know that, okay, I need to work towards getting 5,000 followers. I need to work getting 60,000 watch time in the space of 2 months. So now this is what you need to work on before Facebook can monetize you. And I will advise you start working on it now. If you know that you don't have 5,000 followers, or you are not up, you don't have 60,000 watch time, or you're not following Facebook policy, start following Facebook policy. If you have any issue with your account, try to sort it out. Let your account be on good earth. Then the 5,000, start creating content now. I have my 5,000 followers already on Facebook. So now that's 60,000 watch time. So now is to start going live back to back on Facebook, because I think going live we add to the watch time. Just to start going live on Facebook. So guys, you need to start. It's not that when that time comes, it's almost time now. It's almost ending of August, so there's 31st. You now start running about, and also start doing it now. I am super excited because, guys, it was Facebook I started creating content from Facebook, and I was getting frustrated, and I said, okay, let me just concentrate on YouTube and see. And boom, I was monetized, and I've started earning on YouTube, and Facebook is still there. What is this? So guys, I'll talk and talk and talk. This is the end of the video. I'm super excited. I know you'll be excited. For those of you that are not yet monetized, you'll be excited. Go and start working on your page now. And that will be all for now. If this video make you excited, if this video made you really excited, and also comment how many followers do you have on Facebook. Just let us know. You can even drop your Facebook name on the comment section. So let's go and follow ourselves. Let's start following ourselves and watching our videos, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. And see you on my next video.